Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today, we're unveiling something truly special, a tribute to one of the most iconic carnival rides of all time, the Ferris Wheel. Inside this vibrant, themed display case is a stunning 2-ounce silver coin, beautifully antiqued and coloured to capture the nostalgic charm of the fairground. Accompanied by a numbered certificate of authenticity, the coin's reverse portrays an array of traditional carnival motifs, including hot air balloons, a merry-go-round, a flying swing, carnival tents, balloons, and a roller coaster ride. The coin's centre features a special rotating Ferris wheel insert adorned with multicoloured Swarovski crystals and 24-carat gold plating on an alloy base. Also included in the design is the 2025 year date and the Perth Mint's P mint mark. Issued as Tuvalu legal tender, the obverse bears the Jody Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III, as well the monetary denomination, weight, fineness, and decorative pattern of stars encircling the Ferris wheel insert. With a mintage of just 2,000, we recommend ordering soon, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.